Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best New Balance sneaker for women. The New Balance 574 Core. This iconic shoe blends classic style with modern comfort, making it a standout choice whether you're hitting the streets or just going about your day. The New Balance 574 has a rich history as a versatile sneaker, originally designed as a hybrid between trail and road running shoes. It broke away from the narrow racing silhouettes of the past and instead offered a more reliable and comfortable fit. The 574 Core continues that legacy with a timeless design that suits almost any outfit or occasion. Let's talk about the build. The upper is made with a mix of synthetic materials and mesh, ensuring breathability and durability. What's especially notable is the use of recycled polyester for the vamp, collar, and tongue mesh, which highlights New Balance's commitment to sustainability. The midsole foam even contains about 3% bio-based content derived from renewable sources, helping reduce the environmental impact without sacrificing performance. Speaking of performance, the shoe features Incap midsole cushioning. This technology combines soft foam for comfort with a tough polyurethane rim that adds support and durability. Whether you're on your feet all day or going for a casual jog, this midsole design provides excellent shock absorption and stability. The outsole is made of rubber, and what makes it stand out is that it contains 5% recycled rubber. This adds extra grip and traction, making these sneakers not just stylish but practical for different surfaces. Plus, the 574 Core comes in extended width sizes, so if you need a little extra room, you're covered. In terms of size and fit, the shoe is lightweight at just over 10 ounces, and its shape caters to the natural contours of a woman's foot. This makes it an ideal sneaker for everyday wear. It's not bulky, and the classic silhouette means it pairs well with everything from jeans to athleisure to casual dresses. The New Balance 574 Core has also stayed current with its color options, like the popular gray and white combo, which is both versatile and trendy. And because this shoe is not discontinued and was first available in late 2022, you know you're getting something fresh yet proven. Overall, this sneaker is an excellent choice if you're looking for a blend of comfort, style, and sustainability. It represents a perfect balance between heritage design and modern-day innovation. Whether you're a longtime fan of New Balance or new to the brand, the 574 Core is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want more detailed reviews and honest takes on the latest products, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you next time.